Hello everybody. Today we will teach you how to process photos like professional photographers and post-producers in 1 minute. First of all, let's take a look at these two comparison pictures. You can clearly see the difference between the two pictures. Let's take a look at the original image first. This picture quality is very blurred, and there is a lot of noise on the image. The faces of the characters are not clear enough. The entire image has a dark tone. Let's take a look at the comparison chart after processing. In this image, the noise on the face is clearly gone. The background color of the sky is also much brighter. The whole photo becomes very clear. Even when zoomed in so many times, the lines on the character's face can still be clearly seen. The skin has a microdermabrasion effect, which makes the whole character much younger. The skin condition is also better than before. The whole picture is more prominent, the subject character, and the colors are more vivid. In fact, such a photo only takes a minute to complete. Today we are going to teach you how to deal with selfies professionally. First, we need to open Google Chrome and enter VanceAI.com. VanceAI is a fast-growing image editing software company that provides online photo editing tools. It offers a wide variety of AI-powered image editing tools that allow you to process images at any time, from anywhere automatically. VanceAI has developed intuitive and powerful cloud-based solutions driven by advanced AI technology since 2020. Though it is a young company, it has expanded their products range to 19 cloud-based creative tools to boost efficiency, spark creativity, and simplify workflows. It aims to release more AI-driven image editing solutions in the future. We recently launched two new features. They are Passport Photo Maker and Portrait Retoucher. If you are interested, you can try it. The second step, we enter the Portrait Retoucher interface. We will see a button to click or drag the image to enter the processing interface. At this time, there is a Start to Process button in the lower right corner. Click this button. The picture enters the AI processing program. We only need to wait a few seconds to get the processed image. The processed pictures, we can clearly see the comparison picture. The skin of the face is visibly smoother and younger. Details and even hair are more clear. The whole face becomes softer. Let's try this feature again. This time, try another photo with more obvious facial blemishes. This way we can see it more intuitively. First, drag and drop photos directly into the website. After a few seconds, we have the finished image. This time the effect is more obvious. We can see that the spots and acne marks on the face have basically disappeared. The skin is also more refined and youthful. Now we move on to the first photo. Enter the third step of photo processing. This time we choose the Image Enlarger function to improve the clarity of the photo. Still drag the processed photos into the website and click the Start to Process button in the lower right corner. We choose 8x magnification selection. Of course, you can also choose according to your needs. After a few seconds, the image is processed. We can see the noise on the picture is almost gone. The texture of the skin is also smoother, and the details of the clothes are all revealed. The processed photos can clearly see details, even if they are magnified many times. Let's look at the comparison chart, and we can feel the changes more intuitively. Finally, we export the photo, which processed in 2 steps. The original photo and the processed photo show a lot of variation. The sharpness of the picture and the retouching of the portrait are very obvious. VanceAI uses AI technology to process pictures with one click, which meets the needs of all walks of life for picture processing and saves us a lot of time. If you have the same needs, go to VanceAI and try it. By the way, if you think my video is useful to you, don't forget like and follow us.